For years, we've been told that Mars is just a dead, empty rock floating in space. But what if that's not the truth? What if Mars is hiding something far bigger? Something we were never meant to find? Strange signals, structures that shouldn't exist, radiation that suggests something catastrophic happened, and eerie images that NASA quietly removes from public records. For decades, scientists have searched for answers, but the deeper we dig, the more disturbing the truth becomes. Because Mars might not just hold evidence of life, it might hold evidence of something else. It all started in 2018, a signal detected by the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, a rhythmic pulse, repeating, unnatural. NASA dismissed it as background noise, but then in 2022, it happened again, stronger this time. Came from deep beneath the Martian surface, and it wasn't random. It had a pattern. Scientists tried to decode it. The results? Terrifying. The frequency matched no known natural phenomenon. It was too perfect to be random, which left only one possibility. Something, or someone, created it. This isn't the first time Mars has given us more questions than answers. In 1976, NASA's Viking 1 orbiter captured a bizarre image. The face on Mars. A massive rock formation shaped exactly like a human face. It had eyes, a nose, a mouth, and nearby, pyramid-like structures. NASA called it an optical illusion, but years later, high-resolution images revealed even stranger formations. Deep trenches in perfectly straight lines, geometric patterns, even what looked like a doorway. In 2014, the Curiosity rover took an image that shocked the world. A perfectly rectangular opening in the side of a Martian rock. NASA dismissed it as natural erosion, but here's the problem. No other rocks nearby had that shape. It was a perfect cut. Like something, or someone, built it. For decades we've believed Mars was once covered in oceans, but there's one problem. The water is gone. Scientists can't explain why. One theory suggests that Mars's atmosphere was stripped away by powerful solar winds. Without an atmosphere, the water simply evaporated into space, but others believe something far worse happened. In 2014, plasma physicist Dr. John Brandenburg made a shocking claim. He believed there was evidence of a nuclear explosion on Mars, a disaster so massive that it wiped out any potential life on the planet. Sounds crazy, right? But here's where things get disturbing. Mars has unusually high levels of xenon 129, a radioactive isotope produced by nuclear explosions. On Earth, we only find this after atomic bomb tests. So why is it all over Mars? Dr. Brandenburg theorized that Mars didn't just die. It was destroyed. By what? That's where things get terrifying, because if this theory is true, there are only two explanations. One, Mars had an advanced civilization that destroyed itself in a nuclear war. Or two, something else attacked Mars, and if that's the case, who or what did it? And are they still out there? Former NASA employees have spoken out about things they weren't allowed to talk about. One whistleblower claimed that in the 1970s, NASA already had clear evidence of microbial life on Mars, but they covered it up. Why? Because if the world knew there was life on Mars, it would change everything. Religions would be questioned. Governments would have to explain why they lied. And the biggest problem? If life existed on Mars, it means life exists everywhere. The more we learn about Mars, the more questions we have. Something happened there. Something big. And now we're getting closer to the truth. But what do you think? Was Mars once home to intelligent life? And if so, what really happened? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button